So when we want to do some graphical representations, we can talk about our measurements in both degrees and radians. And so if I want to graphically continue to represent some values, right, let's look at a few others. All right, so what if I want to say, where is, I don't know, 5 pi over 6? All right, and so something like this, looking at the denominator will help you with the increments. And so this denominator is a 6, which means I'm in those 1/6 increments. And that's right here. That would be, this right here would be the first one. All right. All right, so the 1/6, and then we have, we call it these 2/6. And so all of these are split up. So that way we have, we call it the 12 equal portions. All right, and so the 6th basically says that to get halfway around, I need to have 6 equal pieces. All right, and so you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so whatever that denominator is tells you how to cut the halfway point into that number of increments. And so 5 of them would be 1, 2, 3. So this right here would be considered my terminal side of my angle. And then I would stop here. All right, and so anytime you're trying to figure out where to go in terms of like these measurements, you want to look at the denominator and see if that'll help you out a little bit. All right. So what about going in a negative direction? Let's just do one more. So what if I want to move in a negative, let's say 13 pi over 3? All right. All right, and so again, in terms of our pi over 3's, all right, that means that I need to look at my equal increments. So this is considered 1 increment, 2, I have 3 equal increments. Don't let that vertical line mess you up. Oops, sorry, you can't see that. All right, and so if I have negative, that means I need to go in a negative direction, 13 of those 1/3 portions. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 gets me one way around. So here's 8. Okay, that's 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And so I can just keep counting those equal portions, and every time I hit one, there we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And so as I'm doing it, I'm just showing the rotation to show how many times I had to take to get all the way around that circle.